Let's make a Sunday morning breakfast for my family, starting with French toast on sourdough bread this morning. Oh, I'm gonna do 3 eggs to start. Add some milk. And I already have a pan heating up for the French toast. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla too. Decided I needed 1 more egg. I like to sprinkle cinnamon on top of this mixture so that it sticks to the bread. They're going on my crock pot and warm as they get done. I just have enough for 7, but I think that'll be enough French toast for us anyway. I just remembered I had some potatoes in my fridge to use up, so I'm going to make some like diced breakfast potatoes. I'm gonna heat that up before I put the potatoes in. Toast is done. I'm gonna add these potatoes and just kind of season the crap out of them. Smoothie with whatever fruit I have. Looks like that was strawberries and peaches. And here we have peaches and mango and pineapple. I'm gonna add quite a bit of vanilla yogurt actually. Whoa, that was kind of a lot. I'm gonna go grab some juice. This is actually leftover punch from Thanksgiving. But I think it'll do great in a smoothie. I think I need more fruit though too. Like this isn't gonna be enough. It says dragon fruit, but I actually froze some pears in here. Alright, I found it. I feel like dragon fruit doesn't have much of a taste, but it really makes the smoothie look pretty. Now I think we'll do some more juice. Or punch, I should say. That is so pretty. It's because of the dragon fruit, it is. Alright, I have to taste test it. That is so good. They're gonna love this. I'm gonna put this in the fridge until we're ready to eat. I'm cutting off a slab of leftover ham from Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna dice it up to put in scrambled eggs. And then I'm actually gonna take the rest of that ham and dice it up and freeze it for meals and eggs and whatever. It'll probably mostly get used in like casseroles, soups, and eggs, the rest of that ham. It might even be too much ham for these eggs. Nah, we're gonna put it all in there anyway. That'll be fine. Then I'm gonna add a bunch of eggs. Usually I put them back in the carton, but I'm trying to save egg carton containers for everybody that gives me eggs from their chickens. Go wash my hands. I'm just adding a little milk today, and I didn't turn off the griddle from making the French toast, so I'm just gonna whip this up and go plop it on there. I also just turned the burner off from these potatoes. They look and smell fantastic. There's a lot of ham in these eggs. Maybe I should have done a couple more eggs. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna do salt and pepper today. I think I put too much oil in these potatoes. Like you can still, they're a little bit oily. So I'm gonna let them strain on a paper towel. And then I'm gonna wipe this out really good. Potatoes are done, eggs are done, French toast is done. So I'm gonna go get my people to come and eat. I decided I'm gonna plate breakfast for my kids this morning. I forgot to like thaw out or take some more butter out of the fridge yesterday. I've been seasoned like crazy. Oh my gosh. I've been seasoning like crazy this morning. Mommy's already done all the egg cracking, sweetie. Breakfast. And there is my kiddos' plates anyway.